Cái bột cái phần thầm này cái bột của đi lấy Leiriba mafam ase Chadong new site ni tourist destination haina khangnaba adugi mafam dane akoina ngasi sida akoi sumaina leiriba se karigi tamakno hairaga the Manipur Indigenous People Cultural Exchange Festival 2024 haidana Indigenous People Forum Manipur na Tourism Department ga collaboration tawraga lagliba November gi 29 and 30 da mafam ase da akoi the Manipur Indigenous People Cultural Exchange Festival 2024 haina chauna khoi panthoga dori madugi huji sem saba ayamba khoi loisale aduna masigi festival asida maruoina khoina kari gi tamak pandam thambano haibadudi akhoi indigenous people Manipur da thaina digi leminari ba mayam ase sumaina pullaga sumaina festival pullaga magi tribe magi indigenous ki community mayam gi distinct aduga identity unique mayam se promote tominaba tauba aduga indigenous people hairiba community hairiba mayam se nungsi chanana akhoi leiminaba aduga peaceful coexistence oina leiraga Manipur da chokhatpada khudimakta manana chamanana balance oina chaminare hairaga akhoi Manipur da ingna chingna palaga chokhatpa thoranda khongchang saminabagi akhoi get together kumane aduna indigenous hairaga akhoi punsanba natraga pullaga chatpase mami heta udaba madugi tamakta hanthak akhoi indigenous people forum Manipur na government ga tied up tawre hairaga lagliba 29-30 sida the Manipur Indigenous People Cultural Exchange Festival 24 haidana Chadong hairiba khuna sida akhoi panthoga dawribani aduga sida panthokpagi meaning na Chadong hairiba aduga topa village neighbor mayam se akhoi mapithel dam na maram oiraga summers tawraga anobo hongkatpa affected displaced oikraba adungba khuni aduna Manipur da akhoi dam na saraga akhoi gi khunja singse yamna wana affected oina leiba haiba story se akhoi thamningde affected oikrarsu dam na isingna thumgraba anobo khuntaba kanda hena tourism da atopa da promote tawraga yamna nungaina chokhatlaga hanagi hinglamba punsida hojiktigi hena nungaiba punsina phare haibagi akhoi history ama thamninge aduna masida mayamna cooperation tawbibiu aduna tourism promote tawbaga loinana area asida awaba mayamse kongningai gi tamakti machak ama oina aduga indigenous people hairiba group mayamse amata oina punsalaga akhoi chaminaba yabagi khonthang ama oina handak the Manipur Indigenous People Culture Exchange Festival haiduna akhoi panthoga dori loisanbada aina praja mayam da appeal tawningmadi tang 29 aduga 30 asida akhoi Manipur da leiriba indigenous loop khudingmak kanamatana kana organization na ban rally atotopa blockade kumba chingbana mayam se topida ningai gi tamakta akhoi organizing committee on behalf da subcommittee on behalf da aduga indigenous people forum Manipur gi as a president ama oina aina Manipur gi praja khudingmakta appeal taw jari humble appeal taw jari mayamna support tobiu aduna ban nungna amapana tobidana akhoi gi 29-30 festival asida loina saruk yabiu akhoi nungai minasi haro minasi aduga isa gi cultural aduga traditional punamak promote tominare haraga Manipur da leiminariba indigenous people punamak se punsalaga akhoi leminaraga Manipur gi chokhat thorangda chap manana chingda tamda chokhatpa manana chaminara kanda hinginara kanda akhoi peaceful coexistence hanadagi leiba kumna amuk lehanse haibase paujela se na mayamda ngasi media khuthangdagi Chadong aikoina dauriba handak festival tawdabagi masigi mathakta leire hairaga leble hairaga mayamda mase appeal tawjabani Manipur United by Diversity haibani adugi makhada panthogadabani aduna sigumba indigenous ki mayam punba sidi Manipur da hana khoi tawkhiba leitri tawrasu macha mai kanglu oiramgani apunbagi de tawkhiba ude aduna culture exchange sigumba festival sidi hanthakna ahanba oigani haina khoi laujai aduga sigi indigenous culture festival asida akhoi Manipur da leiriba indigenous community punamak saruk yaga dawri akhoi tribe khudimak saruk community khudimak saruk yagani madugi saruk yamina basina Manipur da akhoi indigenous kangluk mayam se nungsi chanana leiminari haibagi message se Manipur apunbada aduga national level da international level da mase akhoi message piningi sigi festival 2 days manungda akhoi formality oina chief guest laktuna mayam tribe mayam tawraga akhoi introduce tawba presentation kumba aduga mela da visit tawba stall da to adumba khara lejarani madu dagi hena akhoi na handak tawgadabase akhoi folk song aduga traditional cultural dance aduga talent show aduga meet the star aduga akhoi kari haisira ato topa akhoi folk song aduga ngasai artist singi performance tawba mayam ase akhoi madugi tamak sem sadana lei madu mayam do akhoi numik ani sida continue oina tongan tongan ba panthokani aduga yamna nungai ba mana folk song hairiba aduga cultural dance haibase akhoi indigenous community amma madigi represent tawraga tawgadabani